What is UK and what is Britain? Is Ireland a separate country or a part of Britain? What about Scotland? What's its deal? What's the point of talking about all this now? Well, I'll tell you that now. There are chances that Scotland will become independent because it did not like the way England handled this pandemic. Yes, you heard me right. Scotland is looking to get independence from the United Kingdom. So, does this mean that Britain was ruling Scotland and Scotland is not a separate country but it's a part of Britain? What exactly is the diplomatic relationship between Scotland and England? In this episode of Now You Know, you will know. Many people think that UK and England are the same. It is just new and old names. But it is completely wrong. The United Kingdom, that is the UK, is a sovereign state that consists of four individual countries, and those four countries are England, Scotland, Northern Ireland and Wales. Each country has autonomy to some extent, just like how the case is between China and Hong Kong. Scottish, Welsh and Northern Irish parliaments send important matters like foreign policy to the UK Parliament, and they themselves take care of things like education and housing. Though they have a common queen, each country has its own local identities and even their own regional languages. For example, the official language in Wales is Welsh. Actually, Ireland itself separated into North and South in 1921. North Ireland decided to be a part of UK and Southern Ireland decided to become an independent country. Scotland wanting to become a separate country is not at all a new thing. In fact, few years ago the country actually had public polls, that is they had a referendum to find out from their people what they think about getting independence from the United Kingdom. In that referendum, 45% of the people told that they want independence and 55% told they do not want independence. During Brexit, Scotland wanted UK to remain in European Union, but Britain walked out. And now the Scots feel that the UK did not handle the pandemic well and they are looking to become an independent country. Now let's see about the history of Scotland and England. From the 17th century, there were talks about having a common king for both Scotland and England. But it officially happened only in the next century, that is in the year 1707. Scotland was very close to France, and in those days France was a very strong kingdom. So England feared that Scotland and France might join hands and either invade England or one of England's colonies. That was why England wanted to unite with Scotland. But the Scots did not like England, and one of the main reasons for that was England was a Protestant country and Scotland was a Catholic country. In the 16th century, England was also Catholic. In all Catholic kingdoms, the Roman Church and the Pope played a very huge part. If Rome thought they could bring down a king and appoint a new king. But King Henry VIII of England broke up with Rome because that church did not allow him to divorce his first wife and marry another woman. That is how England became Protestant. So the Scots did not want a Protestant ruler ruling over their land and people, and they resisted the union for a very long time until it finally happened in 1707. Scotland kept its independence with respect to its legal and religious systems, but coinage, taxation, sovereignty, trade, parliament and flag became one. During the 19th century, Scotland became an industrial powerhouse. Mining, shipbuilding, heavy engineering grew rapidly in Scotland and supplied the needs of the expanding British Empire. Discovery of oil deposits in North Sea in 1966 brought more development. Slowly, they asked for more autonomous privileges in 1970s and 1990s, and then they wanted to become a separate nation. In 2014, there was a referendum about this and 45% of the Scots wanted independence from United Kingdom. Few other policy changes like Brexit has also made a lot more Scots to want independence. The British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has told several times that he does not want the ties between UK and Scotland to break. But if it does, he will be known for Brexit and Scottish independence, which you did not know but now you do.